Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Determine the molecular formula from vapor density, Vd. Molar mass is equal to 2 times Vd is equal to 2 times 36 equals 72 G mol. Moving on to the next step. Identify the hydrocarbon with molar mass 72. For alkanes CNH, 2N plus to 12N plus to N plus 2 is equal to 72 14 N is equal to 70 N is equal to 5. So the formula is C5H12, pentane isomers, megawatt is equal to 72. For cycloalkanes CNH, 2N12N plus 2N is equal to 72 14 N is equal to 72 N is equal to 5.14, not integer. So cycloalkanes do not fit megawatt is equal to 72. This eliminates options C. Cyclohexane, megawatt is equal to 84 and D. Methylcyclohexane, megawatt is equal to 98. Moving on to the next step. Among C5H12 isomers, identify which gives only one monochloro substitution product. N-pentane has 3 types of hydrogen, C1C to C3, giving 3 monochloro products. Isopentane, 2-methylbutane, has 4 types of hydrogen, giving 4 monochloro products. Neopentane, 2,2-dimethylpropane, has only one type of hydrogen. All 12 hydrogens on the 4 equivalent methyl groups are identical. Therefore, chlorination gives only one monochloro product, 1-chloro-2,2-dimethylpropane, neopentyl chloride. And for the final step, why other options fail? A. Isopentane, megawatt is equal to 72 but gives 4 different monochloro products. C. Cyclohexane, megawatt is equal to 84 is not equal to 72. D. Methylcyclohexane, megawatt is equal to 98 is not equal to 72. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.